first like that, and like that, like this. Wait, ayusin natin. Tapos, like this, and like that. And use carefully. Wait, like this. Natuloy yan. Like this. Like this. Like this. Like this. Dapat tataasan konti. And another one. And over here, lalagay mo tong and dito sa taas. Sa baba pala. And awakan mo. Ayusin mo. And just like that. You have a table. Ganyan lang siya. Ganyan siya. Hi! Yak lang, joking. You put on of your body like this. Continue anuhin. And this over here, papasok mo siya. Like that. And di siya ganyan. Yung mga iba kaya nila, and this for the tie, for the pork. Like this, na tinuruan ko. Tuturuan like that. And over here, like tie your belt over there. And check. Just tie it. And like over there, so close. Malapit na like this. And like that. Like this. And get you over there. You have tie your belt. Where's the book mall? You have some cricket. Hi! Like that. Kung gusto mo ayusin mo. Ganyan. Hi! Yan na, like, and sana matutunan. Joke lang, di pa tayo aalas. Oh my papa. Dito na dito sa kwarto. And my mom and my mama is over here because they love it. Kala ko lang is me. Yan naman. Salamat gawa. Tired box. Guys, I got this attack cap. Got the cap. And dapat wala to. Look. Dapat masushoot ko siya. Takpan natin baka tatalon niya. Oh my god. Okay, it's not shooting. Pag, and pag ito, nilagay ko siya, pag nalagay ko siya, masushoot talaga siya. Yan, nalagay talaga. Agaro. I'm happy, happy, happy. Para sunshine. Na tayo magawa sa there. How to tie your belt. Actually. Sana like and subscribe. Please, I have sana meron ako 1 subscribers. Please, I want some 1 subscribers, please. And see ya. Peace.